What is the Oklahoma Securities Commission? It's the first place you should go if you find yourself a victim of investment fraud. The Oklahoma Securities Commission can confirm the registration of a broker, dealer, investment advisor, or security in Oklahoma. The Commission comprises 5 members appointed by the Governor with the advice and consent of the Oklahoma State Senate. You may be wondering what the Commission can and cannot do, how fraud investigations are started, and about the Commission's investor education program, Invest Ed. Irving?
Thanks, Rex. The internal operations of the Oklahoma Securities Commission are carried out by the Department of Securities. The internal administrative organization of the department includes the Division of Enforcement, Investor Education, Registration of Securities, and Registration of Securities Professionals. The Enforcement Division's primary purpose is to enforce the securities laws. Enforcement relies on the cooperation and input of the investing public. The division consists of attorneys, investigators, and financial analysts that are trained to handle the complex issues encountered in securities matters. There are approximately 200 complaints a year, all of which are investigated, and there are approximately 250 open cases during any 12-month period. The process of informing investors how to recognize, avoid, and report investment fraud and unfair sales practice in regard to the offer and sale of securities is the objective behind our investor education efforts. It is also our objective to inform the public about the services offered by the Oklahoma Securities Commission. You can find our free unbiased tools on our website at investedok.org. There are things the Oklahoma Securities Commission can and cannot do. Here's what we can do. Investigate the complaint. Take no further action if there is no evidence, if it is not within our jurisdiction, and there is no general public policy to be furthered or advanced. We can also commence administrative or civil legal action. We could also make a criminal referral. Here's what the Oklahoma Securities Commission cannot do. We cannot recommend a private attorney or arrest the wrongdoer. We cannot take an action for the primary purpose of getting an individual investor's money back. We cannot represent individuals in legal actions against wrongdoers. We cannot act on matters that are outside our jurisdiction, and usually we will not allow an individual investor to intervene in a department legal action. You may be wondering how an investigation is started at the Oklahoma Securities Commission. Here are 3 of the most common methods: complaints, exams of securities professionals, and referrals from governmental agencies. To file a complaint, get a complaint form from the department's website by clicking Complaint Procedures under Enforcement Division in the menu on the left side of the page. Exams of securities professionals are either for routine checks or for reasons of cause. Cause examinations address a particular problem or event identified through a variety of sources, such as customer complaints or terminations for cause of registered agents by broker-dealers, and referrals from other state and federal securities regulators. The department conducts periodic routine examinations on broker-dealers and investment advisors located in Oklahoma. Referrals from governmental agencies can come from the state attorney general, insurance, or banking departments. Referrals can also come from the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Internal Revenue Service, or other federal agencies.
If you think you or someone you know has become a victim of investment fraud, or for more information on the topics covered in this presentation, you can contact the Oklahoma Securities Commission at 405-280-7700 or through their website at securities.ok.gov. And for more investor education information, you can visit the Invest Ed website at investedok.org. The InvestEd site offers a wealth of investor education resources, including the complete InvestEd TV and radio investment minute library, the InvestEd Investor Protection Kit, and information about InvestEd STARS, Students Tracking and Researching the Stock Market. STARS is a stock market portfolio program designed for grades 9 through 12.